Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Selenium WebDriver is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, and the ChromeOptions class in Selenium allows you to configure and customize the behavior of the Chrome browser. One useful method provided by ChromeOptions is addArguments, which allows you to pass command line arguments to the Chrome browser. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use options.addArguments in Java Selenium with a practical code example. Make sure you have a Java development environment set up with Selenium WebDriver and the ChromeDriver executable. You can download the ChromeDriver executable from the official website. Add the Selenium WebDriver jars to your project. You can use a build tool like Maven or Gradle to manage dependencies. Create a new Java class for your Selenium test. You can use any Java IDE like Eclipse, IntelliJ, or Visual Studio Code. In this example, we set the path to the ChromeDriver executable, create a ChromeOptions instance, and use the addArguments method to add various command line arguments to the Chrome browser. You can customize the arguments based on your requirements. Remember to replace path /to /ChromeDriver with the actual path to your ChromeDriver executable. These are just a few examples of the many options you can set using options.addArguments. The flexibility of this method allows you to configure the Chrome browser according to your specific testing needs. ChatGPT. Absolutely. Selenium's options.addArguments method allows you to modify the behavior of a web browser controlled by Selenium WebDriver by adding specific command line arguments. This can be incredibly useful for configuring the browser in various ways. Here's a tutorial on how to use options.addArguments in Java with Selenium. Ensure you have Java installed and a Java development environment set up. You'll need the Selenium WebDriver library in your project. You can use a build tool like Maven or Gradle to manage dependencies. Here's a Maven dependency for Selenium. First, import the necessary classes. Then, create a method to initialize the WebDriver with specific browser options. Replace path /to /ChromeDriver with the actual path to your ChromeDriver executable. Execute the Java code to see the Chrome browser launch with the specified options applied. This should give you a good starting point for utilizing options.addArguments in Selenium with Java. Feel free to explore more arguments and experiment with different browser settings based on your requirements. ChatGPT. Title: Using Java Selenium options.addArguments for browser configuration. Introduction. Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, and the Java language binding provides a variety of options for customizing browser behavior. One commonly used feature is options.addArguments, which allows you to pass command line arguments to the underlying browser executable. This tutorial will guide you through using options.addArguments in Java Selenium with practical examples. Step 1. Setting up your project. Before you begin, make sure you have a Java project with Selenium WebDriver dependencies added. You can use tools like Maven or Gradle to manage your project dependencies. Here's a basic example of a Maven dependency in your pom.xml. Step 2. Importing necessary packages. In your Java code, import the necessary Selenium packages. Step 3. Creating WebDriver with ChromeOptions. Instantiate a WebDriver with ChromeOptions and add desired arguments using addArguments method. In this example, we used 3 common arguments: start maximizes the browser window, disable infobars disables info bars, and disable extensions disables browser extensions. You can find more Chrome command line options in the official documentation. Step 4. Run your Selenium script. Ensure that the path to the ChromeDriver executable is set correctly in your code, and then run your Selenium script. You should observe the specified browser behavior based on the added arguments. Conclusion: the options.addArguments method in Selenium allows you to customize browser behavior by passing command line arguments. By using ChromeOptions, you can configure the ChromeDriver to suit your automation needs. Experiment with different arguments to enhance your Selenium automation scripts. ChatGPT